Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In today's fast-paced world, the importance of saving money cannot be overstated. Yet, so many of us struggle with where to begin. Fear not, as we've compiled 12 simple steps that can guide you toward significantly growing your savings. These actionable tips are easy to follow and can make a substantial difference in your financial health. So let's dive into the essentials of maximizing your money. 1. Understand your financial picture. Before you can start saving effectively, you need a clear understanding of your financial landscape. Knowing precisely how much money you have coming in and going out each month is the foundation of financial health. Start by listing all your sources of income, then track every expense, no matter how small. Apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, can be immensely helpful in this process, providing insights into your spending habits and helping you identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Set clear savings goals. What are you saving for? Whether it's a rainy day fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement, having clear, defined goals can motivate you to stick to your savings plan. Break your goals into short-term, within a year, medium-term, 1 to 5 years, and long-term, more than 5 years, to better organize your financial strategies. For example, a short-term goal could be saving for a vacation, while a long-term goal might focus on accumulating a substantial retirement nest egg. 3. Budgeting. Plan your spending. A budget is not just a record of what you've spent, but a plan for what you should spend. After understanding your financial picture, create a budget that allocates funds for your necessities, savings, and some wants. Various budgeting methods, such as the 50-30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, can help manage your finances without feeling restricted. Regularly updating your budget as your financial situation changes is crucial. 4. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Boosting savings requires cutting unnecessary expenses. Review spending to identify areas for cuts, like daily gourmet coffee or rarely used streaming services. Small changes accumulate into significant savings. Negotiate better deals on recurring bills like internet, insurance, and phone plans to maximize savings. Evaluate subscriptions and memberships to ensure they align with current needs. Consider DIY alternatives for services you pay for, like cleaning or lawn care. Set a budget and track expenses to stay on course. Prioritize needs over wants to maintain financial stability. Redirect saved money into a high-yield savings account or investments for long-term growth. Consistent effort in trimming expenses leads to substantial savings over time, providing financial security and flexibility for future goals. 5. Smart shopping habits. To cultivate savvy shopping practices and stretch your budget, start by crafting a detailed list before hitting the stores to sidestep impulsive purchases. Leverage discounts, coupons, and cashback opportunities to maximize savings. Opt for store brands over pricey labels and bulk buy essentials for added value. Embrace the art of comparison, shopping to secure the most cost-effective deals, whether scouring online platforms or perusing brick-and-mortar establishments. By adopting these strategies, you'll cultivate a thrifty mindset that not only saves money, but also promotes smarter spending habits in the long run. 6. Increase your income. If your savings are still lacking after trimming expenses, explore avenues to boost your income. Freelance work, side hustles, or advancing in your current job are viable options. Seeking promotions or better employment can significantly increase your earnings. Moreover, acquiring new skills can open doors to additional income streams. Online courses tailored to enhance job prospects or entrepreneurial ventures are valuable investments. By diversifying your skill set, you increase your marketability and potential for higher-paying opportunities. Evaluate your strengths and interests to determine the most suitable path for generating supplementary income. With determination and strategic planning, you can effectively augment your earnings and bolster your financial stability. 7. Automate your savings. Automation stands as a remarkable asset in cultivating savings effortlessly. By establishing automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account every payday, you initiate a proactive approach to saving. This method ensures that a portion of your earnings is secured before the temptation to spend unnecessarily arises, thereby fostering a pay-yourself-first mindset. Through this automated process, financial discipline becomes ingrained, as saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. Moreover, it alleviates the burden of manually transferring funds, making the saving process seamless and consistent. Over time, these consistent contributions accumulate, bolstering your financial security and paving the way for future goals and aspirations. Thus, embracing automation not only simplifies the act of saving, but also empowers individuals to take control of their financial well-being with minimal effort. 8. Invest wisely. Investing can substantially boost your savings over time. Begin with straightforward options such as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provide diversification with less risk compared to individual stocks. Evaluate your risk tolerance and contemplate consulting with a financial advisor to design an investment strategy aligned with your objectives and risk profile. Starting with these simple investments allows you to build a foundation while minimizing potential losses. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can explore other investment opportunities to further grow your wealth. Always remember to stay informed and stay disciplined in your investment approach for long-term success. 9. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged savings accounts such as 400 and Onyx, IRAs, and HSAs is a savvy financial move. Not only do these accounts facilitate future savings, but they also offer the perk of reducing taxable income. By allocating funds to these accounts, individuals can potentially boost their tax refunds or reduce owed taxes. It's prudent financial strategy to make the most of these opportunities whenever feasible. Contributions to 400 and Onyx enable long-term retirement planning, while IRAs provide flexibility and diverse investment options. HSAs offer a unique triple tax advantage for medical expenses. Prioritizing contributions to these accounts aligns with smart financial planning, promoting both short-term tax benefits and long-term financial security. 10. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plans is crucial for maintaining progress towards your savings objectives. Life's dynamic nature, marked by events like job transitions, relocation, or changes in family dynamics, can significantly influence your financial goals and strategies. An annual review of your financial plan serves as a compass, ensuring alignment with your evolving aspirations. By evaluating your budget, investments, and savings, you can identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. This proactive approach empowers you to adapt to changing circumstances, seize opportunities, and safeguard your financial well-being over the long term. 11. Utilize financial advising. If handling your finances feels daunting, seeking guidance from a financial advisor could be beneficial. A skilled advisor can provide tailored recommendations based on your unique situation, aiding you in making well-informed decisions to enhance your financial well-being. They can assist in creating a personalized plan to manage your finances efficiently, whether it's budgeting, investing, or planning for the future. With their expertise, you can navigate complex financial matters with confidence, ensuring your money works effectively for you. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if you feel overwhelmed by managing your finances. A capable advisor can be an invaluable ally in securing your financial future. 12. Debt management. Managing debt effectively is paramount for financial well-being. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts promptly while avoiding unnecessary borrowing. Explore options such as debt consolidation or refinancing to minimize interest rates and monthly payments. By focusing on reducing high-interest debts and adopting strategic approaches, individuals can regain control over their finances and work towards achieving greater stability and freedom from debt burdens. Finally, always remember the journey to financial independence is ongoing and requires perseverance and adjustment according to life's changes. Thank you for joining us at Money Basics 101. Your proactive steps today are the foundation for a more secure financial future. Keep learning, stay motivated, and adjust your plans as you reach various life milestones. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Basics 101 for more insightful advice on growing your savings and managing your finances effectively.